Mathematics has been taught in Aberystwyth since the university opened its doors to students in 1872. We're now based in an award-winning centrally located building overlooking the sea with new lecture theatres and a dedicated library. Our committed staff are here to engage with you, make sure that you do well. They've worked hard at ensuring that our students receive detailed comments on their work and are given feedback which helps their understanding and allows them to excel. Consequently, in this year's National Student Survey, our score for assessment and feedback, which mirrors our score for overall satisfaction, would make us the second best maths department in the UK, based on last year's tables. Our maths degrees are accredited by the Institute of Mathematics and its applications. We have a vibrant student maths society, and there are frequent meetings of the staff student liaison committee. In short, we have all the facilities that you would expect of a modern, world-leading university.